Hey guys, this is Kaz at Diesel Doctor. Just wanted to take a minute to show you, this is an LB7 engine from a customer's vehicle, and from time to time we get crankshafts from these engines that come in that are broken in half. And when we take the front cover off the vehicle, the first thing that we'll notice is this nut right here that you see is it's laying in the front cover. The problem with this was that the original pump, which is this pump right up here, the original pump had right-hand threads. And the engine, obviously turning in the opposite direction, was causing this nut here to back off. They had a later rendition of the pump that actually used a left-hand thread now to tighten it up. And so that's supposed to tighten as the crankshaft is turning. This is not something that you're just going to tear the engine down to fix. It is a big deal. It's kind of like the killer dowel pin on the Cummins motors. It's going to be something that you're going to want to do if the front cover ever comes off of your truck. It's pretty much an ordeal to do because you have to take the gear off, and you have to take quite a bit off just to get to this. So it's something that if you know that you're going in the engine, especially if you're in for an engine build, just make sure that you update it with the latest version of the pump so that you won't have future problems, because the last thing you want to do is build the whole engine and have crankshaft failure just because some nut backed off. But anyways, thanks for watching.